So mga parts, this is our hotel in Ho Chi Minh.
Before and after.
Triple E. Look. Fresh pa din. Ganda ng hotel namin mga parts. Ayun, may parking ng mga motor. Pero sobra accessible na sa lahat. Nasa gitna siya. This is Triple E Hotel. Dalawa tong branch. Pero tuloy nyo tong Bentan. Yan. Ito yung...
No, it is friends.
Ay, sorry. So, merong waiting area over here. And this is the lobby.
Bigyan mo yung ID reservation first.
Yeah. Ay, hello.
Here.
Wow, ganda dito mga parts, oh. Ang lamig pa. So, mag-check-in na tayo. Time for check-in.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. They have billiards over here. And the lobby bar. Hello. So nice here. Oh, they have a gym? Oh, they have a little gym. May treadmill. Oh, so nice. They have a gym over here. Free weights. So ngayon mga parts, we'll go to the room. And we're so excited. We can't wait. There's a gym! Not here?
Yes.
So mga parts, there's two Triple E pala. And then pa doon sa kabla, ito yung totoong Triple E namin. Pero maganda parehas. Kaya pala sabi ko it's different. But yeah, it's the same.
Ciao.
Hello, we're back! There's another Triple E over there. And there's another over there. So that is why it's Triple E? No.
Yeah, it's quadruple.
But this is the other Triple E. Parang same naman siya. But this one, they have a buffet. I think this is the place for the breakfast buffet. So nice. Same naman. Same naman mga parts. Parehas maganda. So, well, let's check the hotel room. Okay. So, syempre mga parts, let's do a room tour. Ganda. So yung room namin mga parts is 602A. So pag gusto nyo ng magandang view at yung room na ito yung piliin nyo. 602A. So let's go. So pagpasok ng mga parts, dito nilagay ng mga gamit. So may mga hangaran. And then may safe. Meron ding hair dryer. So no problem. May chinelas, may safe din. Both mga lagayan. Meron dito whole body mirror. So pwede kayo mag-selfie dyan. Andyan naman yung aircon, no smoking, and we have a TV over here. Oh, so I think may bayad to. They have complimentary water. Drink me, free of charge. May mirror. Oh, may ano dito. Personal ref. Wow. Oh, pero I think may bayad to. Maybe. Yan. So may working station over here, and mga parts, ang pinakagusto ko dito ay itong view. Tingnan mga parts, oh. Ito na yung street niya. So, wala siyang balcony, pero nakikita niyo dito yung view ng Vietnam, ng Ho Chi Minh. Yan yung street sa baba. Ito yung bed. May dalawang side table, and it looks comfy. Yan, and ang ganda ng finish na, oh. Ganda. And mga parts, ito na yung bathroom. Wow, ay ang ganda! Ang linis! No? Ang linis. So, mayroon siya dito ang towel, toiletries, and then ito na, may towel din dito. May bidet! May bidet! And, mayroon dito mga toiletries. Ayan o. So, shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Ganda. Meron din rin siya. So yung mga parts, ang ganda ng room namin. Ang ganda. If you want to know more, comment down below if you have questions. Pero nabook ko lang tong room namin sa Agoda at 10,000 pesos for 3 nights. So imagine mga parts, may kasama pa siyang breakfast. And yung amenities, pwede kayong gumamit ng gym. And meron din kayong tambayan dun sa baba. So yeah, kung gusto nyo ng where to stay in Ho Chi Minh, Triple E Hotel. Good morning mga pards. Day 2 in Vietnam, and mga parts, ito yung breakfast buffet dito sa Triple E Hotel sa pinagstayan namin. So para may idea kayo. So they have cereal, of course, coffee, salad, noodle soup, fish noodle soup. Over here they have bread, pumpkin porridge, sausage, oy bacon, and pasta. Ano sarap dito? So, ito yung breakfast area. Ay, nag-moist. Pero yeah, ito yung breakfast area mga parts. Perfect. So, there you have it mga parts. Tapos ng ating travel vlog dito sa Ho Chi Minh or Saigon, Vietnam. And so far, very good na experience namin dito sa Vietnam mga parts. Sobrang na-enjoy namin. For me, it's my first time. And si Sisig, first time din niya. And mga parts, itong hotel na pinagstay namin, itong Triple E Hotel dito sa District 1, I highly recommend this hotel mga parts. Sobrang ganda ng location. Ang mura niya, may complimentary breakfast, may mga amenities, may elevator, and ang bait ng staff. Tapos ang linis talaga, ang ganda ng room, ang laki. Nakita niyo naman mga parts sa room tour. So yung binook namin na ito na hotel is around 10,000 for 3 nights. For 2 with breakfast, and nakita nyo, sobrang ganda, highly recommended, and sobrang dami ng mapupuntahan nyo within the vicinity. And pabalik na kami ng Manila via Philippine Airlines, so watch out for that vlog as well. By this time, meron na din akong vlog niyan, so hanapin mo lang yan sa aking YouTube channel. And I hope this video was able to help you parts decide, plan, if ever you will be going to Ho Chi Minh or Saigon very soon. And if you like this video mga parts, don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, and if you have additional questions, just comment down below. Hit that bell icon para like ka-update sa aking mga YouTube videos, and please follow me in my other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, also at Behind Box. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos, stay safe and healthy. Bye!